Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the electric current effects to your clips on CapCut. So this effect can easily be found under the body effect, and now it's a trending on CapCut. This one, there are two electric current effects that you can use, and you can find it under the hallucinations category. So the one this is the free one, electric current one, and the second one is the pro one. So if you want to use the second one, you need to be on the CapCut Pro first. I'm going to just use the first one, and here you can adjust it furthermore by going to the adjust. I'm going to change the color into red like this. You can also adjust the speed, the filter. I'm going to lower the filter and the intensity of the electric current effect, and here is the atmosphere. When you're done, you can just go back, then click on a check icon, so the effect will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, smash the subscribe button, and leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.